Hello, I'm Rashi Goyal and I'm legal intern at Lexis & Company. In today's video, I'll be talking about legal framework of child pornography. There are various legislations to regulate child pornography in India, like Information Technology Act 2000, in Indian Penal Code 1860, Indecent Representation of Women's Act, and Young Persons Harmful Publication Act. So first, let's discuss about Information Technology Act 2000. Cyber pornography is banned in many countries and legalized in some. Cyber pornography is neither banned nor legalized under IT Act 2000. The IT Act prohibits production, distribution of cyber pornography but does not prohibit its viewing or downloading. Section 67 of Information Technology Act 2000 makes certain acts punishable with imprisonment of up to 3 years and fine up to 5 lakh rupees. So first act could be publication. It includes uploading of pornographic content on websites, WhatsApp groups, or any other digital portal where third parties can have access to such pornographic content. Second could be transmission. It means to send obscene material to any person electronically. And third act could be causing to be published or transmitted. It is a comprehensive terminology which ends up making the intermediary portal liable, using which the offender has published or transmitted such obscene content. Also, Section 67A of Information Technology Act makes publication, transmission, and causing to be transmitted and published any material containing sexually explicit act or conduct shall be punishable with the imprisonment of up to 5 years and fine up to 10 lakh rupees. So, viewing cyber pornography is legal in India. Merely downloading and viewing such content does not amount to an offence. Publication of pornographic content online is illegal. Storing pornographic content is not an offence. Transmitting cyber pornography via instant messaging, emails, or any other digital mode of transmission is an offence. Section 67B of IT Act 2000 makes publishing, transmitting, viewing, or downloading child pornography illegal. The fact that the internet has made child pornography more accessible to the distributor as well as to the collector, and this fact cannot be denied. Also, according to Section 67B, any person who has not attained the age of 18 years is considered as child. It is further stated that child pornography can be committed in 5 ways. First is by publishing, transmitting, or causing to publish or transmit any material electronically that depicts the child's engagement in sexually explicit act or conduct. Second is by depicting children in an obscene or sexually explicit manner. Third is inducing children to online relationship with one or more children for a sexually explicit act, or in such a manner that may offend a reasonable adult on the computer resource. Fourth, by facilitating child abuse online. And fifth is by recording abuse or that the other pertaining to sexual explicit act with others. Now, after this, let's talk about Indian Penal Code 1860. Section 292 of Indian Penal Code prohibits the sale of obscene material, whereas Section 292 Clause 1 explains the meaning of obscenity, and its Clause 2 states that a person who sells, distributes, lets to hire, or publicly exhibit or put into circulation any obscene material, or import or export obscene material, or knows that such material will put in for sale or distribution or circulation, or is involved or receive profits from any business in the course of which he has knowledge or reason to believe that such obscene objects are from the aforesaid purpose, or advertises the obscene material, or offers to do or attempts to do so, then it will be prohibited under the section, then such a person shall be awarded either with a simple or rigorous imprisonment that may extend to 2 years along with fine that may extend to 2000. And on the second conviction, same person will be liable for the simple or rigorous imprisonment that may extend to 5 years along with fine that may extend to 5000. Now, section 293 of IPC, it specifies that the punishment for a person who sells, lets to hire, distribute any obscene object to any person who is below the age of 20 years. It states that on the first conviction, a person shall be awarded with the imprisonment of 3 years along with fine that may extend to 5000. And subsequently on the second conviction, with the imprisonment that may extend to 7 years along with fine that may extend to up to rupees 5000. Also, Indecent Representation of Women's Act 1986 seeks to prohibit representation of women or any part of her body in an indecent form, provided that such representation will injure the public morality or morals. Whereas Section 13 of the POCSO Act defines the offence of child pornography. It states that whosoever uses a child in any form of media for sexual gratification shall be guilty for the offence of child pornography. And Section 14 of POCSO Act provides punishment for using child for the pornographic purpose. Whereas Section 15 of POCSO Act 2012 provides that if a person stores pornographic content that involves child in any form, then he shall be awarded with the imprisonment that may extend to 3 years or with fine or with both. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to let me know your feedback in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.